Well, he bataka make. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, another one that we're gonna bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember the man I don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the blogging truth. Now viewers, Bounty Killer made a powerful reaction to Chip Gloc. He also make some fresh statements for some album flop. You know, we have to discuss it, viewers and subscribers. Before we get into that reasoning though, Kodak Black, the Florida-born hip-hop superstar, viewers and subscribers, just big up the nation. Now, the international dancehall revival is in full effect, and make no mistake, one group of artists are push it. Now, Kodak Black chose this track as his first music video for a new project, a track titled The Z Look Jamaican. Now, I'm going to see what I go on, and then we're going to continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Dirty nine, she hop on that dick and she dirty wine. From the hood, you good, you want a mine. When she bust it open, I come inside. The Z Look Jamaican. I put this bitch.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, big up the whole Haitian movement. You know what I mean? They are supporters of the Jamaican culture. Yeah, big up the whole Haiti movement. You know what I mean? Big up Kodak Black and the whole hip-hop industry. We continue to support dancehall, as dancehall has always supported the hip-hop industry. We're going to talk more about the impact of that feature later on in the reasoning. Now, viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killer's reaction. The Grungzilla himself. Now, Bounty reposted Chip Gloc, the official audio, viewers and subscribers, and caption it with the caption, Chip Gloc for shit chat. Who vex? Simple statement. And as what Bob would have said, you true you can, you never call no foul. Who you think vex and run up in a Bounty comment section? A few little vendetta supporters, to which Bounty have a point out to them, say, watch you know, we not accept nothing with scale and gill. Bounty say them to lift up them and them artists for pack up and run away from the industry. Nation man notice that the Barneys and the Freds of dancehall music like for Flim Stone while living in a glass house, viewers and subscribers. But years now, Bounty I tell them say no friend fish. Now, Bounty Killer also teased what seems to be a feature in the works by posting an older collaboration, knowing that the streets are hearing recently that the streets are asked for a Bounty and a Vybz Kartel feature and this new project, which in my personal opinion would have be powerful. The world already anticipate Bounty album. You see, for have a Vybz Kartel feature upon it, knowing the history where Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer have, knowing the hits where Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer have, the whole world I look forward to that. And speaking of the international community and their reaction to dancehall music right now, recently we see Vybz Kartel forward out and big up Haiti on Haitian Flag Day, and we see a Haitian hip-hop star, Kodak Black, represent the younger generation of hip-hop stars, forward out. And it's a youth who always pay him respects here and there to Jamaica. And as I say, it's a Haitian, he is of Haitian descent. So you know, saying a film place. As I say, the Z Look Jamaican. It's a good look for see all of the features that Skilly Bang has been receiving. You know what I mean? All of the notoriety that his songs have gained internationally. A sign that all hope is not lost. Because we know the one artist will have what it takes to return dancehall to where it was and where it should be. Because let's look at the situation and talk about it for what it is and not like it might be. In this day and age, we see other genres of music that have been directly influenced by dancehall music being promoted and celebrated more than dancehall music. Even right here locally, we notice that the fight with dancehall are getting normal. And with a high volume of individuals where dancehall create an income for a steady salary, it's strange to see how legislators fight the dancehall and the music industry. But always remember, it was Europe and the wider world celebration of reggae that forced legislators here to pass legislation that would help the reggae industry. Certain festivals and certain way. Now I mean, just because of the love for reggae by the international audience, and that forced local legislators. Think about it. The people in parliament who push laws, and when them see the dollar signs, you know what I mean? And remember, dancehall never get a fight the way it get now. And since recent laws passed, noise abatement and all kind of different laws and zoning and, hours where you can keep party to, and all these different laws are passed. So if you see the international celebration of the dancehall culture, people actually have vibe to the songs. People are title them songs and I put Jamaican references in the songs. People are forward on come the remix with Jamaican artists. These are the things where the world need to see, to remind them of what dancehall brings to the table. Did you know that majority of the choreography in modern day music videos are from dancehall dancing? Majority of it. Dancers all over the world normally incorporate their own styles in however they do. But the foundation steps are dancehall. Majority of them come from dancehall dance. So we even sing about popular dances. Or popular dance moves rather. Nation accept no substitutes. We know the set of artists them in a dancehall music we are help push the genre forward. And not Vybz Kartel alone. But we know the other few names and some other little artist names are not on the list. Despite where them live. Them name not they on the list. We know the few artists. We get big name international features. We know the few artists that are talked about by international superstars. We know the artists them who them look forward to get free. But everything apart from that, I like what go on a dancehall music right now. I look forward to an exciting summer in a dancehall music. A song like Gloc just force all other artists to step them game up. Who know whether the right song need to go start the right song. Who never spend time in the studio, need to start spend time in the studio. Who never get them song mixed and mastered, need to get them song them mixed and mastered. So the international crowd are found out. You know what I mean? The music of the at a certain quality. Yeah, the music of the at a certain quality. You don't want the music play upon secular radio stations internationally. And now want have good quality music. What them really feel like? The Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel feature. It definitely seemed like it in the works. Based on the fact that the Streets Attack and Bounty choose to put out the snippet of that feature with him and the teacher and remind the fans of the greatness that they have created in music, not just from being a part of a movement, but through collaborations in music. And the industry know this for a fact. Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel never miss on no track. There's no Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel, no Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer will drop. That is not a hit single. Classics at this point in time. Wouldn't mind all more than one feature upon it. Me that listener, a teacher, Marshall, Bling and Bounty. Not a problem with that. Not necessarily want to hear Busy or Move. You see me? But a Marshall and a Bling. Not a problem with that. And of course, a Vybz Kartel and a Bounty. You know what I mean? Yeah, that definitely bring a certain element to the album along with all of the other projects and features that Bounty got up on it. And remember, the teacher did already tell we say there is a full-length album for 2021. Yes, a full-length album for 2021. So that is something we are look out for as well. We can show them how album do. We can show them what is an album. What is an album production. We are show them so we don't have to go gift card. What kind of gift card? When we want to make the project available for everybody, even the people who don't have no funds, we want to support the music though, and them support dancehall. We make the project available on YouTube. We don't need to give you a gift card if it look like say sales. No, we're not doctor numbers. talk to me in the comment section, boys and subscribers. You know what I mean? Let me know you feel about Bounty reaction to cheap Gloc quicker, hot mosquito, grab that trigger, drop that nigga, scope pick him up about the hot spot quicker. He don't know nothing. Them don't know about the streets. Bounty I remind them said this a hardcore music. Bounty is an artist who know about the streets. He know about hardcore dancehall. Let me feel about Kodak Black new track, the Z Look Jamaican. Yeah man, I move settings nation, and no, we don't need a ladder. And my sentiment, well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the share icon is in close proximity, so you can drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them, sister, them, brother, them. But check out your channel and check out the reason and join the discussion. Comment section 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yeah man, now move settings fam, and no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until we reason again.